Nature is amazing. It provided us everything. The best example is fruits and vegetables. God has gifted us wide varieties of fruits and vegetables to enhance the taste bud, to add flavor, and most importantly, to provide numerous health benefits. A fruit is said to be edible when it attains its proper maturity and naturally ripened, so that it develops its own aroma and flavor. This is the real characteristic of a fruit. But now, as the commercialization has taken a toll over humanity, adding too much of chemicals in the form of pesticides, artificial wax coating, heavy metals on green leafy vegetable, they all together contribute and playing a havoc with human body system. To provide valid information, I have gone through a lot of research. I found that truth is hidden in darkness. This video shed some light on the subject. Ripening is a phase of fruit maturation process, and a fruit has to be plucked only when it is ripened. But now most of the produce is usually plucked early and ripen them using artificial chemicals. Some of the most commonly used chemicals are shown here. Each chemical has its own toxicity. For example, when the demand of a produce increases, to maintain the steady supply, to speed up the growing process, most of the produce is injected with a hormone known as oxytocin. This human hormone is cheaper than fertilizer. It is sold in the market in the name of cocaine, pani and dawai. This oxytocin, if taken through a produce, causes hormonal imbalance in the body. If you are a seasonal fruit lover, then be careful. Those juicy mangoes are ripened artificially using a chemical known as calcium carbide. It is one of the chemicals used in manufacturing of firecrackers. It is a carcinogenic chemical and it has a potential to cause cancer and acute lung issues. Exposure to this chemical leads to a permanent eye damage. To provide a glossy look, green color vegetables like green chili, cucumber are often colored with a coloring agent known as malachit green. This malachit green is a hazardous dye used to treat fungal infection in fishes. There is a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but this statement may not hold true any longer if it is wax coated. We consumers mostly look for a fresh, shining and bright fruits and vegetables. But hold your nerves to know the truth before purchasing them. There is a hidden layer of wax coating applied to most of them. Waxing is a technique used by sellers to increase the opportunities of distant and export marketing. As India is the second largest country for production of fruits and vegetables, Indian markets are flooded with the exotic produce from different regions and different countries. Nowadays, almost all produce available in the market contain at least 80% of water. Due to their high moisture content and very short life, they get spoiled easily. To reach from a grower to consumer, all exotic produce have to travel a long distance and they take more time to reach the market. During these stages, they get spoiled easily. To protect and prevent them, natural wax is removed and a chemical wax coating is applied. This wax coating retains the freshness, attracts the customers and most importantly increases the shelf life of a produce. Green leafy vegetables, which are called as powerhouse of nutrients, have shown to contain high levels of heavy metals. As the water scarcity is rising, most of the greens are treated with the sewage water. This water is highly contaminated with pollutant and industrial effluent. Vegetables grown around them have shown to contain high level of heavy metals. Till now, we have seen various types of chemicals that are being extensively used. During intensive research of this video, I got to know that a nutritional scientist, while testing samples of breastfeeding mother milk, they found harmful chemicals more than 800% set by EDI. Whereas exposure to heavy metals like lead and cadmium leads to a serious neurological disorder, especially for children. Direct consumption of a produce without washing is not safe for us. We consumers, while buying a produce, have no idea either it is naturally ripened or artificially ripened. How you protect your skin by applying all the essential products, and how you take care of your body while bathing to remove bad odor and bad bacteria. Similarly, you should take care of your produce by regularly washing them. First, fill the bowl with water, then take a lemon-sized tamarind, add to the bowl. Now place all your produces into this solution and gently stir them so that any visible dirt will be removed. Let them soak for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now remove the produce and rinse them under regular tap water. For removal of wax coating, in a bowl, add lukewarm water. I repeat, lukewarm water. Normal water doesn't remove the layer of wax coating. To this water solution, add a teaspoon of baking soda and sprinkle some lemon juice. Now add all the produce which appeal fresh and shiny. Let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. For green leafy vegetables, first remove the outer layers and then cut away the discolored leaves. Now place all your greens in a bowl and fill it with water along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt water acts like a sanitizer to the greens. Wash them thoroughly and discard the soaking water. Now again fill the bowl with water. Sprinkle some lemon juice to this solution. Allow them to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Washing green in a vinegar as acetic acid and baking soda as sodium will affect the taste, whereas lemon water acts as a perfect cleansing agent without any chlorine bleach. These small practices makes a huge impact on your health. This video is not to make you panic, it's a awareness to follow some basic food safety practices.